Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. You must have seen the thumbnail and title, which suggests that we are going to tell you about how you can transfer a file like photo, video, or any kind of other file that you have in your phone, which is based on Android. Whereas we have a laptop from Apple, which is MacBook or MacBook Air, whatever it is. So there is an issue that you can't transfer files directly to MacBook Air. Let me just show you why I'm saying this and why it's an issue. And you can just try it using connecting your USB cable, and you will see that you will not be able to transfer files in any case. So here I'm connecting a USB cable uh, to my MacBook Air. You might have USB-C port in your MacBook. So it's pretty old MacBook. So in any case, it has a old USB port. So as you can see, we have connected my device, basically Android device, to this, and it's currently showing charging this device via USB. Let me just show you what is the issue here. I will click on it. It will say file transfer. I will just click on file transfer. It is showing as USB file transfer is on, whereas you don't have any kind of drive that is being created over here. So that is the actual issue, guys, that you can't actually see any kind of drive that is connected to this, through which you can just transfer the files. So that is a big issue in Android devices and the connectivity with MacBook Air. So the solution to this, I have the solution to this, and it's pretty easy, and you will be, it's like you will be blessed to have it. So the very first thing is, if in case you want a transfer via Wi-Fi or something, then that's there. In any case, that's there. But you can't send a very large file to MacBook Air or MacBook devices just like in few seconds. So that is a issue that will still be there. So to resolve this, so I'm going to tell you how we can do that. Just let me show you one application that can do this, and that application is actually from Google itself, which helps you in transferring the files from your Android to MacBook. So as you can see, here is one utility that was created by Android itself. So we have Android file transfer. I will give you this link in description box below, so you can just check that out over there. You just need to download this. Click allow to download, and yes, we have this file downloaded. Just double click it and install it as a normal software as you do in your Mac OS. Here I just copy the file over here, and you can see, I can see over here one utility that is there. So now what we need to do is, we need to disconnect my device once, because I already connected this, and just connect it back. Yeah, so I've connected it back. It's currently showing as it's charging, and let me just change this to file transfer, and you can see it's now file transfer over here, right? And now oh, now we will be opening and Android file transfer. So it just say open, and you can see over here in this dialog, in the small dialog, that we have all the files related to our internal memory, and you can see that we can easily transfer these files just by clicking. I will just show you one example with one of I would say photo file, if in case I have any, right? So we have some gcam folder. So as you can see, here is one image file. Oh, sorry. So here we have one image file, right? So I will just try to copy this, right? So I will move it to my desktop. So as you can see, it got downloaded over here. This was a file which was present here, and this is me and my wife. So yeah, so that is pretty easy, and you can even transfer your PDF files as well if in case you want to. So you just need to copy on your desktop or some folder, and that is there. As you can see, it's related to coronavirus. Yeah, so you can understand now how we can do that. Hope you must have liked my video, and just share it and subscribe my channel.